everybody, Lorraine here. Came downstairs to do a little playing again today. And I think what I'm going to do is a string pull. I have an 8x10 canvas here that I have set up, and I mixed a couple colors. I have a Naples yellow, a light magenta, and a phthalo blue. And I'm going to do a string pull on this white background. I already put white on my canvas. And I'm debating on exactly how I want this to look. So I think what I'm going to do is put some puddles here. And then dip my string in it. Do it like this. I think I used my skewer. That picks up a little bit less paint. I'll try and cover the whole thing here. This is only the second time I've done this, so it'll be interesting to see how it comes out. I'm going to start off right in the middle here. Try to do a little snake. And try and pull it as straight as I can. That excess paint on there. Make very little blooms. Just checking here to see if I have too much paint. I do have quite a lot of white paint on the canvas. Dip it back again. Kind of set it down here a second so we can make it a little bit lighter this time. Hold it steady. Bring it out wider this time. Let it sit there a second. Yeah, I think I have too much white paint on my canvas here. Because they're kind of collapsing in. can we do about that? Might turn out pretty cool like that. We'll see. We'll keep going. Fun to try. They look so pretty when they're first formed, but like this one just kind of collapsed in on itself. So there's a lot of paint on there. But just keep playing. I like these colors together. That Naples yellow is really pretty. Kind of go right over the top of this one and see what happens. Oh, I dropped a big blob of paint in there. Should know better than that. See what happens when I swirl it like this. See if it comes out a different shape. I would like there to be less paint on there, the white paint, but it is turning out nice. I really like it. Gotta use a different finger for every color. Try not to mix them up too much. not mean to drop that like that. That's okay. Well, that turned out to be kind of a cool little accident. Because that one turned out really nice. Gotta do something right here to cover up that blob. My drip. Definitely like this technique. There's some really interesting stuff coming out. There, blob of paint gone. I think that's all I'm going to do to it. Looks like a pretty full canvas for a little 8x10. I hope you enjoyed watching. If you enjoy watching my videos, if you could hit the like button and subscribe to my channel, I'd appreciate that. I hit this with the torch. So I'm seeing air bubbles. Okay guys, let's see if I can get you zoomed in here a little bit. Sorry, that was my camera strap. Still getting used to this camera. Not quite sure how to use every feature on it yet. But there it is. I hope you enjoyed. Thanks for coming. Bye.